and gentlemen, I hope you are doing well and hope you are prepared for Virgin Galactic Fridays, and we are live, right? Just a second, make sure to thumb up this live stream if you appreciate the time, guys. I just came back from a small outgoing here in Dubai. And I said, I have to still stream because there is nothing that I rather talk on a Friday or a Saturday evening even, or Saturday morning, it is already in Dubai, than the Virgin Galactic stock that actually just crashed. And we will talk about we will talk about the stock. We will talk about why it crashed. So make sure to absolutely smash that like button. And I will highly appreciate that. And obviously, as always, let me know, guys, in the comments below or in the live stream, if you're watching it live, where you are watching from. Because this is always highly appreciated if you are watching from all around the world. I will just switch on the live chat so I will see where you guys actually are watching from and can follow all the comments right now. And this is the agenda for today. So first of all, I would like to make sure to go absolutely just a small focus on those that are becoming member of this channel, because this is very important for myself. I highly appreciate that. And I think that those people that are joining are one of the most favorite people of all the time, okay? So, let me just open here the live chat so I see where you guys are watching from. It's 2:33 a.m. in Dubai, guys, okay? Just to make this clear, we are vlogging or streaming very, very late. And we have people from Hawaii. We have people from Kauai. We have people from Canada. We have people from Belgium, Israel, Maryland. We have people from Budapest. We have people from London, Romania, USA, Switzerland, Costa Rica, and Canada, and the US&A. Now, if you are following Virgin Galactic, then you might be a little bit disappointed today, okay? California, Israel, Oklahoma as well in the building, guys, okay? So let me just... Istanbul as well, California as well. If you are watching Virgin Galactic stock, or if you're following Virgin Galactic stock, then obviously you are wondering what the hell is going on. And let me tell you straightforward, there's not much that's going on, okay, right now. We are still in the window of a test flight that can happen anywhere from today until basically 21st of December, because this is officially the fall, which was set as the window for the test flight. So we can maybe see the test flight in the next couple of days or weeks, or we can see the test flights only in December. So this is the current window that we are talking about. And if we are looking into the stock was absolutely shredded today, okay? So as you can see here, let me put myself here in the top bottom right corner, and you can see here that Virgin Galactic obviously got shredded, 7.67% negative to $19. And after hours, we actually went up 0.68%. So as you can see, it's, how to say it, very volatile, or very, very volatile, okay? So this is the thing about Virgin Galactic. I said it many, many times in the vlog. I said many, many times in the live streams. It will stay very, very volatile as a company, as a stock, because it just has too less fundamentals to really go really, really high, or stay at a certain point, which I would say $24, $25, which is, for some people overvalued, and some big people as well overvalued. So I can imagine that, the $19, and when we go a little bit later into the stock chart, maybe $17, a nice mark where we always can pick up some cheap Virgin Galactic stock. Okay, there's no change in the overall story or the long-term perspective for Virgin Galactic. So this is very important to know. Then, let's have a look. I obviously took on my spacesuit, as you can see. It's an official and original Under Armour clothing line that they are basically Virgin Galactic will use Under Armour for their official space clothing. So this is the same brand that they will use for the astronauts out there. So I would like to welcome Eugene C, that actually upgraded to become a real wolf, which actually then allows him to enter our Discord, and also Hennes Thomas, who just rejoined, and he also become a real wolf. And if you're still wondering what is this membership, then let me enlighten you. Okay, this is maybe the most, let's say, valuable membership out there of any financial YouTuber. Okay, you can access to our membership by 3 tiers. This is, let's say, kind of a Patreon deal where you support the channel. Real Wolf gives you access to our Discord channel where we talk 24 hours about stocks. And then you have the Ultimate Wolf, which gives you even one-on-one with me on your favorite social media or via email. We can talk about your strategy, your portfolio, your thoughts, and my thoughts on your trading or investing. And I think that's amazing value that I don't see any other YouTuber is giving out there. Okay, so this is just as a nice to know. And let's further dive in. What's happening? Okay, first of all, we had a Tuesday conference, investor conference, where a big guy on Wall Street, a big short sellers, Jim Chanos, gave a surprising bullish note to Richard Branson's space tourism startup Virgin Galactic, right? Which sent the company shares soaring. But later on, the guy from CNBC talked with Jim Chanos, and Jim Chanos said he was joking when he was talking positively about space-related companies, and therefore you have seen this crazy volatility. I think it was somewhere here Tuesday. You see, Tuesday we reached even $24.26 per share, and then towards the end of the day we just went down to $23, okay, which was the effect of a big guy talking about space. So you can see just this small mentioning of the space stock is giving us really high volume, very high increasing of the stock. So you can just imagine and paint for yourself on the white canvas. The space is black, so I would call it black canvas, the future of space when we really reach those milestones. Okay, now let's further dive in what happened today. But before we do that, make sure to check out my second channel. I'm posting there every single day as well. Wolf of Dubai 2. Okay. It's the link in the description, or just on my main page. You can find the link there as well. And if we are talking about Virgin Galactic today, then make sure that you are covering the Goldman Sachs coverage of Virgin Galactic. So he said, with a neutral rating, substantial question marks remain, making the firm the only one among 9 of Wall Street to not recommend the space tourism stock to investors. He says, quote, long-term upside potential could be substantial if space can capture the space travel and supersonic flight opportunity. But the time to realize of the opportunity is very long, and that's why we are long-term investors. Customer adoption and recurrence uncertain, and potential for competition not insignificant, which I think he's wrong. Okay, so this guy, Goldman Sachs analyst Noah Poponek said in a note to investors. Shares of Virgin Galactic fell 7.7% in Friday's trading to close at 1914. The stock is up about 65% this year. Other than Goldman, Virgin Galactic has the equivalent of buy ratings from Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, Vertical Research Partners, Cowen, UBS, Susquehanna, which I don't know, Credit Suisse, and Alembic Global Advisors. So as you can see here, guys, there is some very big institutions that have actually say buy this stock. Okay, this is very important, guys. And what I always love to do when going into this kind of ratings, I always look in who is doing this rating. Okay, in this case, it was Noah Popanak, Goldman Sachs Wall Street analyst, ranked 1,965 out of 7,000 analysts. So yeah, not one of the best, definitely. Success rate is only 58 and average return is 5.1, less than the S&P 500. So do I put a lot of weight on this rating? No. It is the big name, obviously, of Goldman Sachs that giving us here a little bit of pressure for the stock. And I think that we shall definitely look through the noise. This is what I did 2019 with Tesla. This is what I will do 2020 with space stock, and 2021 with space stock as well. I will look through the noise. I'm looking at the business, okay? I'm looking how the business is going. Is the business going very, very well? That I'm going to freaking invest into the stock, okay? If the company just reaching milestone after milestone, I'm investing into the stock. So as you can see, there's a lot of noise on the stock market where I can see, a lot of analysts don't understand the full story, number one. Secondly, they also have to justify, in front of their bosses certain things, and how you want to emphasize on a space stock and the space industry that is so uncertain. You have to have a lot of vision to see that Virgin Galactic and the space industry will absolutely boom over the next years, okay? Now, let's have a look into the stock. And there I want to go with you into the stock chart. I did it already in my vlog of Virgin Galactic. So I want to have a look. Here is a very significant barrier, okay? So as you can see here, this is a resistant line, 24, okay? We went several times here once, apparently here also, apparently here. Many times we tried to push the stock over 24, many times not that successful. So this is definitely building up a resistance. And if you're zooming in, I put this in and it shows us nicely in which new trend it's definitely trading. So it could go here and bounce off in this channel and go further down up to 15, 16, 14 maybe. And I will tell you what I will do then. I will just buy more, because space to have it for 14, 15, it's always the same, guys. If the stock goes up, everybody's saying, I wish I bought more. I wish I trusted this company, and if it's going down, everyone is panicking, okay? This is always the normal thing going into those stocks. But here you can see we had a nice uplifting trend that broke somewhere around the 20th of October, and still then we didn't went into the overbought situation because the RSI were somewhere around 66. An overbought situation we had, for example, here where the RSI went to the 70-80 levels. Same goes for, let me see, where we had an overbought situation as well. Here definitely, right? You can see that very, very nicely in the mid and end of July. Then we went down further from there. So it's definitely, a nice technical situation where we can pick up some more stocks for less. And I want to go now into those chat questions, because there is a lot of questions into the chat and I want to make sure to cover that every single time. So if I'm done doing this so regularly, please excuse, okay? So here we go with the chat. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram as well, Wolf of Dubai Danny. If you want to know more about stocks and the market and my personal life, make sure to follow me there. If you want to support the channel, make sure to thumb up. I want to have at least 100 likes on this video, and I know you can do it. But let's dive into this chat. So we have questions here. Let me have a look. So we have people asking, I'm going to buy more in the next couple of days. I think this is the most smartest way to react of this kind of flash crashes, when you just pick up some nice stocks on the kind of futuristic companies. Then we have people from Hawaii as well. People are all in on space, which is, you know, sometimes a little bit of risky, obviously. People from New Jersey are here as well. People from Philippines. What are the questions, guys? Let me know the questions here. So, chances of VG stocks going down without the test flight. Yeah, so the test flight will be something of a big event. Obviously, this will spark the stock. I don't see any other scenario where the stock is going down with a successful test flight. I just don't see it, okay? There's a question of Charlie Garrido. He's asking, what is your target price for VG? And I will tell you something that is amazing, which is I think that this company has a 10x opportunity. I have an average price of the stock of $17, so I think the stock will make at least $170 in stock price over the next years. And this is important, guys. Whatever you are thinking about the stock, think long term, guys, okay? I think that this is very, very important to think long term. Then there's the next question by a name that I cannot read, okay? Amep, this is Russian, I think. So he is asking, should we invest in Under Armour as well? So because of the closing of Virgin Galactic, and I believe that this is not a big needle mover for this company. This company sells hundreds of millions of t-shirts and suits and whatsoever, and I just don't think the few Virgin Galactic suits are actually moving the needle. When, if even, maybe Under Armour has a deal with Virgin Galactic, you know, saying, you know, we will provide the clothing free of charge and you will just promote our brand, which I can imagine, okay? So there's another question, how many stocks do you own on space? You know, obviously this kind of things I'm sharing with my members out there, and so best regards go out to all the members. And but I will tell you one thing, I can never own enough Virgin Galactic stocks, okay? I'm just popping out the position every month, every new cash flow that I'm coming into my portfolio every month. And I think this is one of the most important things, that once you have a portfolio, just try to add every month. Just try to dollar average, and you will have over the long term the very best price. There is no best price to buy or sell the Virgin Galactic stock. So just add every single month and you will be a very, very happy person. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for tuning in on this late live stream. I hope you have the very, very best weekend of your whole life. Stay safe and healthy, and best regards to all of you astronauts out there. I'm checking out for now, and I'm happy about those lower prices, because you always want to buy your favorite company for a lower price.